So today we are going to discuss science and technology current affairs 2021 of last 60 days complete coverage. इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं लास्ट 60 डेज के साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी से रिलेटेड करंट अफेयर्स। इस वीडियो में हमने चुन चुन कर क्वेश्चन डाले हैं। इस वीडियो को बिल्कुल एंड तक देखिएगा। इस वीडियो का एक भी क्वेश्चन आपको मिस नहीं करना है क्योंकि इस वीडियो में सभी क्वेश्चन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हैं। सो नाउ स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, Fermina, the longest cable in the world when built, is being constructed by which technology company? Answer is B, Google. Fermina, the longest cable, is constructed by Google. Now, question number 2, OMS technology, which was making news recently, is associated with which field? Answer is A, oxygen distribution. OMS technology is related to oxygen distribution. Now question number 3, the government of Nigeria has recently joined the microblogging platform Koo that was developed in which country? Answer is B, India. The Koo platform is developed in India. Now question number 4, Shero survey is used to determine the prevalence of in the community. Answer is B, antibody. Shero survey is used to determine the prevalence of antibody in the community. Now question number 5, what is the name of continuous positive airway pressure CPAP closed machine developed by IIT Ropar? Answer is B, Jeevan Vayu. That machine is named as Jeevan Vayu. Question number 6, ISIpedia, the online portal seen in the news recently, is associated with which field? Answer is B, climate change. ISIpedia, the online portal seen in the news recently, is associated with climate change. Now question number 7, CSIR, Central Scientific Instrument Organization, developed an instrument to measure which value? Answer is B, iodine. Central Scientific Instrument Organization developed an instrument to measure iodine value. Question number 8, Interstellar Boundary Explorer IBEX satellite, which is seen in the news recently, was launched by which space agency? Answer is B, NASA. Interstellar Boundary Explorer satellite is recently launched by NASA. Question number 9, what is AY1, which is seen in news recently? Answer is A, coronavirus variant. AY1 is coronavirus variant. Now question number 10, critically endangered grass species Lophopogon prasnai has recently been found in which Indian state? Answer is D, Andhra Pradesh. Critically endangered grass species Lophopogon prasnai has recently been found in Andhra Pradesh. Now question number 11, CSS, a new software released by Union Health Ministry, stands for? Answer is B, COVID severity score. Now question number 12, what is the name of the engine which can be used with 100% crude oil and 100% ethanol? Answer is B, flex fuel engine. The engine which can be used with 100% crude oil or 100% ethanol is called flex fuel engine. Now question number 13, what is the name given to the water involved in the production and trade of commodities and services? Answer is A, virtual water. The water involved in the production and trade of commodities and services is known as virtual water. Now, question number 14. Which institution has launched a center for research on startups and risk financing, CREST? Answer is D. IISC Bangalore. IISC Bangalore is the institution has launched a center for research on startups and risk financing, CREST. Question number 15. IISc partner with which technology company to form a hybrid cloud lab? Answer is B. IBM. Now, question number 16. Which Indian institution is involved in SOPOST project, which was recently endorsed by a UN bodies? Answer is B. ISRO. Now, question number 17. Twitter has added which Indian payment gateway for its tips feature? Answer is B. Razorpay. Question number 18. Which Indian institution developed an affordable rapid antigen test kit for COVID-19 priced at Rs 50? Answer is B. IIT Delhi. IIT Delhi developed an affordable rapid antigen test kit for COVID-19 priced at Rs 50. Question number 19. Guillain-Barré syndrome is reported to be associated with which vaccine? Answer is A. AstraZeneca Oxford vaccine. Now, question number 20. Company has acquired the Signal Arrival Message application WIC. Answer is B. Amazon. Now, question number 21. Pharma company manufacture the DRDO drug 2DG to treat COVID patient. Answer is Dr. Reddy's. Now, question number 22. K417N mutation is associated with which classification of SARS-CoV-2 virus? Answer is D. Delta plus. Now, question number 23. Enceladus is the moon on which planet? Answer is A. Saturn. Now, question number 24. Which social media company launched a set of publishing and subscription tool named Bulletin? Answer is B. Facebook. Question number 25. The Chengdu J20 that was making up news recently was developed by which country? Answer is A. China. The Chengdu J20 was developed by China. Now, question number 26. Which state has witnessed a rise in case of Zika virus infection? Answer is D. Kerala. Now, question number 27. Which country announced the Intermediary Guidelines and Digital Media Ethics Code? Answer is C. India. India announced the Intermediary Guidelines and Digital Media Ethics Code. Now, question number 28. Which institution gave its approval to implement satellite TV classroom India? Answer is B. ISRO. Question number 29. Which reference to convert what is swab sick that was making news recently? Answer is B. Testing platform. Now, question number 30. DBT NIBMG has created the world first database of genomic variants named DG Genvoc in which disease? Answer is A. Oral cancer.